Alright, so here's the living room air conditioner. I don't know which brand this is, but this is a gigantic 30,000 BTU split air conditioner. This is the largest capacity air conditioner that we have here. I'm not sure if you can see the brand there, but I believe this is I can see it. So over there to the bigger living room we have obviously you can't see it because of the dark, but that one is an 18,000 BTU air conditioner. So I don't know which brand this one is, but I know this is the largest capacity 30,000 BTU air conditioner.